Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings with Windows key plus I. This speeds things up. Next, go to Ease of Access and select High Contrast so you can apply system-wide changes. Turn the High Contrast toggle on now and watch the display switch. This confirms the feature is active. Once done, choose from the theme drop-down to preview options. Make sure to keep a focused window visible while testing so you see how text and background interact in real time. Now you customize the theme colors to improve legibility. Select a high contrast preset as a baseline, then click Color to edit text, hyperlink, background, and button colors. This is where you control contrast ratios. Pick bright foregrounds and dark backgrounds or vice versa. Higher difference increases readability. Use the preview pane to inspect common UI elements. Once satisfied, apply the changes. The system will update instantly, so you can verify that icons, menus, and apps remain clear and comfortable to read. Finish by tuning display scaling and text size under Settings System Display to ensure UI elements match the new contrast. Sign out or restart apps to propagate changes across programs. Some applications require a restart to adopt the theme. If you find contrast didn't apply, toggle high contrast off and on again, or check Windows Update for pending patches that block accessibility features. Keep one troubleshooting tip. If colors look wrong, switch to another preset, then recustomize to reset theme values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.